Welcome back to the Black Star video. Today we're going to talk about GreyScale and Fidelity. Let's talk about it. Let's get it. My name is Rich, and today we're going to talk about Fidelity and GreyScale. Before we get into the video, if you like the content, hit that like button. Help the YouTube algorithm to get us out there to more people. Subscribe to the channel, promote the channel. Let's get this channel growing to get the information that I'm giving out. If you like it, it'll help. But the word is, I'm a little bit late with it, but my perspective on this might be a little bit different. However, that Fidelity is going to buy out GreyScale, and the efforts to buy out GreyScale possibly make an ETF run, especially now that BlackRock is in the mix. We don't know what's happening, but the writing is on the wall. I have my perspective. Let's talk about it. Let's get into the video. Before moving forward in this video, at times I like to look at the market cap. Right now, Bitcoin's at 28,400. It was at a low about 25,000 just a couple of days ago, and the market is starting to change. There's some type of price action going into it, and I wonder where that's coming from, especially after the SEC is suing two of the major exchanges in the US, Coinbase and Binance. And if we take a look at Cardano right now is at 27 cents. It was at a low of 25 cents not too long ago. So this is starting to look good. Bitcoin and Cardano are moving in a positive direction on an upward trend. And if we take a look at the rest of the market, just at a glance rather, everything is going up. Everything must follow the mother, Bitcoin. So I'll have a link in the description from this article that was made by Coin Chapter, and they talk about it. Fidelity may buy GreyScale, launch spot ETF Bitcoin, and boost Bitcoin's price. In doing so, obviously. Key takeaways. Rumors of Fidelity acquiring GreyScale persist. Why is financial giant interested in Bitcoin fund and a possible spot ETF? FOMO has spurred whale accumulation. And if we read into the article, according to rumors from foreign sources, American Financial Services Corporation Fidelity Management plans acquiring GreyScale, the world's largest digital asset management company with over $20 billion in assets. Why would Fidelity have his eye on GreyScale? GreyScale allows customers to dive into crypto assets through exchange-traded funds, ETFs, so to speak, but not really. They allow these listed trades on the stock exchange for a portion of a crypto asset, not its entirety. And they're actually trusts that are built within the stock's price. So you're actually buying part of the trust, so to speak, when you get into these stocks. And obviously the price goes up and or down depending on the cryptocurrency that's involved. They do have a major play into that because they're one of the largest providers of the services. Matter of fact, the only provider of the service that I believe within the US. The digital asset manager currently offers services for several cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Chainlink, Decentraland, etc. So the article goes on and on about some of the information that I want to talk about and hit on at this moment, but I'm going to give you my opinion as well. So in my humble opinion, because BlackRock is now launching or has put in for an ETF, it is only the right thing for Fidelity to join in. And acquiring GreyScale will be its magnitude of magnitudes to do, right? It would be the biggest of the biggest to do, acquiring one of the largest companies that hold Bitcoin and other digital assets within a trust, so that way they can open up a spot ETF and compete with BlackRock. They don't want to be left out. It's also my humble opinion, the reason why the SEC is going after two of the major exchanges in the US, Coinbase and Binance, is to keep them back and set them back a bit, so that way Fidelity and or BlackRock can get access to these cryptocurrencies and actually offer these ETFs and spot trades just like they would have done if they were given the chance. But we're talking about two of the major financial structures in the world right now, getting involved in crypto, bringing institutional money into crypto, into Bitcoin. And once this is done, if it is all done by Fidelity and BlackRock, it will change the way this ecosystem is forever. Forever. And those that are in it now, in my humble belief, will be set for life. Those who will come behind on the trails, on the tail ends, will pick up the crumbs. Just my opinion, and just my opinion only. But I believe that what is being played out here was carried out deliberately to allow these companies a chance not to fall too far back, but to jump in at this time and catch up to where the smaller players are, although they're big players in our ecosystem of blockchain, but they are small players on the grand scale of finance. So if you are in crypto, and I know that some people who believe in decentralization, but this is the way to inclusion into our society. We need these institutional investors to bring complete inclusion, to bring in blockchain to the masses, right? We asked for this for years, and it's here now. There isn't another way of doing it at the rapid rate that we need it at. We need blockchain integrated into our functions in day-to-day lives. Some people see that as it's harm and invasive, intrusive, and what have you, but it's here and it's coming. Embrace it. Final integration of blockchain in people's lives and day-to-day be here in the next 5 years tops. So again, it's my humble belief that this is all a big plan to hold back Coinbase and Binance, two of the biggest exchanges in the US. Now we do have Gemini and Kraken. We have some other exchanges in the US and they are pretty big, but they'll fall in line once things happen. Coinbase and Binance would be hard players to go against if they'd not try to check them at this juncture right now. Fidelity and BlackRock getting involved will bring wealth to many people who are in crypto right now, and it also bring stability to the markets. Sure, there will be some volatility here and there, but not as it's traditionally known. BlackRock and Fidelity will bring a calm to the storm. So I personally embrace this institutional investment. That way inclusion of blockchain is brought and integrated into the lives of everyone from here on out. So that's just my opinion, and I hope you have or share the same sentiment. And if you do, leave a comment below. So thank you for watching the video all the way to the end. If you like the content again, hit that like button. If you want to get notified, hit that bell notification. Subscribe to the channel, support your boy, Blackstar Crypto. Let's get this channel out to more people. Let's get the algorithm to push the channel out to more people so we can get more subscribers, more views. By doing so, we get our message, my message out to more people, my words or my beliefs out to more people if you believe that they're sound and make sense. Remember that I hold a clubhouse every Saturday and Sunday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to join and just chit chat with me for a little bit, you're more than welcome. Talk crypto, talk life, talk inclusion. Let's just talk about it. Blackstar, light in the darkness. Peace.